Hello guys! Today I present to you my new dashcam. It's very easy to install it and very simple to control it through the app. It records in 4K Ultra HD, which means it has good resolution when recording. One of the reasons I got this camera is because on a day-to-day basis it always happens things while driving. For example, an accident. If you have an accident and the other driver tries to say it's your fault when it is not, with this amazing camera you can prove you are right. Also save you from spending tons of money in car repair and tickets. Another thing I like from this camera is that you can take it anywhere you want. Vacation, for example, and record the beautiful landscape while you are driving. Well guys, I really recommend this product 100%.